Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make beignets easy. We'll start by gathering simple ingredients like 2 and 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 1/2 cup of warm water, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Then, we'll combine these with 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, and 4 cups of all-purpose flour to create a smooth, soft dough. This initial step is crucial for achieving that perfect, airy texture. Once your ingredients are ready, gently mix the yeast mixture with the eggs, milk, and sugar. Gradually add the flour and a pinch of salt, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead it on a lightly floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl cover and let it rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 to 1.5 hours, or until doubled in size. After the first rise, gently punch down the dough. Turn it onto a lightly floured surface and roll it out evenly to about 1/4 inch thick. Using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, cut the dough into 2-inch by 2-inch squares. This size is ideal for classic beignets. Place these squares on a lightly floured baking sheet, cover, and let them rise again for about 30 minutes. This second rise ensures a light and airy final product. Now for the fun part, frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few baignet squares into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd. Fry them for about 30 to 60 seconds per side until they puff up and turn a beautiful golden brown. Remove with a slotted spoon, drain on paper towels, and immediately dust generously with powdered sugar. Serve them warm for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.